Hi everyone, this is Kijipo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa na itong reaction video, ang Barda compilation. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ay, oh. Ano yung pinerform ni Barbie dyan? O parang ang galing-galing ni Barbie dyan, ma'am. Saan dalahin? Ba't parang ang galing-galing ni Barbie dyan, ma'am, for today's video? Ay, ito na. Silka Celebrity Endorser. Ayan ha. Andiyan ba si ano? Andiyan ba si, what you call this, si Vincent ko? Hindi ba natuloy ang kasalan ni Bea? Totoo ba? Totoo ang chismis? Hala. Ayoko kasing gawa ng reaction video. Yan, charing.
Sobrang bilis! Sabi ko, nakakababa ko lang tapos na yung performance!
Ay, ang bilis.
The longest performance in Teen-Up history.
The longest performance. Ay. I'm a Silka girl. I'm a Silka girl. Charas! I'm a Silka girl. Sige na nga, mag-switch na nga. May silka. Gumagamit ako ng silka sa paa. Ang sarap sa paa ng silka. Oh, anong chika? Wala na, naudlot na. Ay, ito. Atake si Barbie. Ang puti niya. Alam mo, pag naka-orange talaga siya, sobrang puti niya. Sobrang puti niya. Soffer. Ah, ito yung kinanta niya. Taray. Ooh, Taylor Swift na naman pala siya for today's video. Taylor Swift naman yung atake niya. Ay! Marami pa siyang kinanta dito. Yung lalaki na naka-orange doon sa gilid o sa baba ng stage, ba't parang nakanganga talaga siya kay Barbie? Charas! Bakit nga? Mami Anita, Ma'am Divine, shout out! Hello! Ayan na, Barbie at Hugo Sari-Sari Convention. Asa World Trade Center. Tara, andyan ba si Vincent ko? For sure. For sure, I will be getting ready for the Sparkle Run this May 30. Ayan na. Naka-ready na ba ang lahat? Ay, David on training again. Taray naman ni David. Busy-busy naman yung ginoo natin. Bantay mo maigi yan si Barbie, ha? Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Maunahan ka na naman for today's video. Chares, pempeng ko. Diba? Ay, ito. Ito talaga yun eh. Bakit parang same sila? Bakit parang iisang lugar lang sila for today's video? Or baka yan talaga yung format? Baka yan talaga yung format nila, no? Na parang, okay, basta maghanap kayo ng white na background.
Thank you so much, University of Makati, for giving me the Actress Award for Excellence and Innovation in Transformative Narrative Drama. Thank you also to GMA Network and Sparkle for always believing in me and for all your support.
Naman.
I would like to share this award with our director, Zig Dulay, and to the whole creative team behind this masterpiece. Lastly, I would like to thank Miss Annette Gozan Valdez because she was the one who thought of putting a young woman from the modern world into the classic novels of Jose Rizal to add an interesting layer to the story and handpicked me to play Clay Infantes. Maraming salamat po.
Good day everyone from the higher school ng UMAC University of Makati. This is David Licao po. I'm really sorry na I can't be there. But I'm very grateful and honored to accept this award for Maria Clara Ibarra. This project is very special to me because it showed the importance of our history, our culture, and of course, this really changed my life. Like lahat ng meron ako ngayon, I owe it to Maria Clara Ibarra. So I'd like to share this recognition with the whole team, to the directors, the production staff, sa Sparkle, sa buong GMA, and of course sa Barbie Forteza. Malaking, kumbaga, total team effort talaga itong Maria Clara and Ibarra, kaya namin ito nagawa. And to the students, I hope na you continue to dream big and do something extraordinary, gaya ng Maria Clara, para to inspire and hopefully makatulong sa maraming tao. Again, thank you so much to University of Makati, and I hope to see you guys soon.
Okay, okay.
You can't make up your
Ano to? Wait, is she going on mustache? Totoo ba? Ay, oh my God.
Please don't waste my time.
Oh, bagay sa kanya. Oh
I'm
my
not trying to
God.
rewind.
Go, baby. Diyos ko. Mamumula yung putis ni Barbie. Makikiliti yan si Bibi ko. Charis. Ay, ano to? Welcome to BFR. Oh my God, ang ganda nito ng farm. Smart girl, lahat pinagpaguran. Totoo nga naman talaga. Totoo nga naman talaga. Ay, ito na. Baka pwedeng ibalato pa masculine na sa amin. Want to wear it on May 30 as Sparkle. Ay! Wag tayong umasa. Pero, I mean, we are praying. Pero wag tayong umasa for today's video. 'Di ba? Pero kung gusto nila, go! Chares! Ayan. On the right track, focus, base, and this one. Ay, oh my God, kung end of love team with ito na nga din. Actually, napag-usapan namin to kahapon ng friend ko na si Zari. Kasi stand din ako nito ng KDLX before. Oo. Confirms end of KDLX love team with KD. Kasi may ano siya, may bago siya, may nakuha minsan. Office ng bigat ng dami. Kasi merong si BGYO Jello. May show sila. One of my favorite Barbie editors, Ate Kai and Kakaiwan. Be happy on your own vibe. Wait, si Ate Kai. Be happy on your own vibe. Be silly. Bakit? Anong problema? Wait lang, empty cans make the loudest noise. Totoo. Ay, wait. Status Sparkle, binibotito wishes to have collaboration with Sparkle. Banilay, tama ka na. Diyos ko. Charis. Don't like her. Charis. Charis. Charis! Nang-aawan. Ganda ni Barbie. Okay. Okay. Ay, si Barb. Fan greeting. Ang cutie niya dito. And anyways, napanood na natin to. This is Kiki Vlogs. See you in my next vlog. Bye.